Kid Nia.
Alright.
Blur vision, no stripping, still sipping, I'm flowing like rock. Straight hitting, Kid Nia, Mally Gold, I'm from the East Coast, chilling in the stew with my team and some. Yeah, it ain't a thing, haters hating on the deadly. These girls ignorant, pure ignorance, they can't stand me. Low tolerance for these girls, for instance, talking mad. Just be sure you don't miss this. Hella confident, only when your homie's present. Keep on messing with me, you gon' learn your lesson. No, I'm not stressing, I'm saying what's on my chest and gotta clear it up before I'm cardiac arresting. Not resting till I hit that concrete, get that filthy dirty, making sure my filthy palms eat. On the strict diet, $40 bills, y'all eat money for dinner, that's a 5-star meal, dog.
Okay. Mally Gold.
Kid Nia.
Al.
Blood spilled on the pavement, what a tragedy. Soul screaming, body bleeding out that agony. Chopper in the copper's belt, causing insanity, killing the innocent, cause other brothers' future plans to be now looking to reality. Evaluate my strategies. African Americans, all about profanity, rapping, trapping, and murking. They smoking, joking, but focus on the future of their kids and how the Lord trying to choke us. Trying to put us down to keep up with that majority, so please get educated. Make it your first priority, gotta prioritize and never believe in lies. Doing what's best for you, no time for switching sides. Forget the times where ass and famous, claiming that you the greatest. Some of the greatest people know the reason, still made it. But since saying we can't make it, we out here getting so faded. Stopping process of knowledge, no one will make it through college, Yeah. Sophisticated, empty swag displaying hella elegance. I'm relevant, can't get it cause a young and hella celibate. Pure soul, the devil asking if I'm selling it. I decline the offer for the fame of Morelli and shit. A lot of brothers been claiming they hit it and skated. The closer I get, the homies is blowing and getting faded. Don't want the D, just watching money precipitating. Myself and I'm solo double, forgive